Hello Pirates, I'm going to show you how to download this year's student planner. The first thing you're going to do is copy this address, tinyurl.com/Cypress 25-26. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste this into another tab. And when I get here, it's going to ask me if I want to make a copy of the document. Select Make a Copy, and this will make a copy that is yours for the digital planner. Now you're going to want to personalize it. So let's go ahead and rename this because I am never going to look for copy of 25-26. Instead, I'm going to put my name, and let's say my name is Pirate Pete. And then I can save it somewhere in my drive so I know where to find it. And so I can click on this folder button that says My Drive, and then in my drive I can go ahead and look and decide what folder I want to put it in. And I already made a folder. I'm going to put it in my 2025-2026 folder so that way I know where to find it. The next thing I'm going to do is add my name to slide 1. So I'm going to go ahead and add my name.